Have you ever noticed something strange about the moon? No matter when you look at it, no matter where you are on Earth, you always see the same side, the same craters, the same shapes, the same patterns. Every single night. It never flips. It never changes. It never shows you anything new. At first, this feels normal. Most people never question it. But if you stop and really think about it, something feels wrong. The moon is moving. It is orbiting Earth all the time. So logically, we should see different parts of it over time. But we don't, and that raises a deeper question. What is hidden on the other side? For decades, this mystery confused scientists and fascinated the public. Some believed something unusual was there. Others imagined secrets were being hidden. But the truth is not a conspiracy. It is something far more fascinating. The moon does have another side, a side that never faces Earth, a side that remained unseen for most of human history. This place is called the far side of the moon. And here is the unsettling part. From that side, you cannot see Earth at all. No blue planet in the sky. No continents. No oceans. No glowing sphere rising above the horizon. Just darkness and distant stars. Imagine standing there. You are closer to Earth than ever before. And yet, your home is invisible. Not small. Not far. Just gone. Completely gone from your view. That idea alone changes how you think about space, because it proves something very important. What you see is not always the full reality. Sometimes half the truth is hidden, and sometimes it is hidden in plain sight. So why does this happen? Why do we always see the same side of the moon? The answer lies in a powerful phenomenon called tidal locking. The moon rotates, but very slowly. And here's the key detail. It rotates at the exact same speed that it orbits Earth. One full rotation takes about 27 days. And one full orbit also takes about 27 days. This perfect synchronization changes everything. As the moon travels around Earth, it keeps the same face, pointed toward us, at all times. So from Earth, we only ever see one side, the same craters, the same patterns, night after night. The other side never turns toward us, not even once. Imagine walking in a circle around someone, but never turning your back. They will only see your face, never the other side. That is exactly what the moon is doing. And because of this, the far side becomes a place of isolation, cut off from Earth, completely hidden from our view. Now imagine something. You are standing there, on the far side of the moon. You look up, expecting to see Earth, but it's not there. No blue glow, no rising planet. Nothing, just a black sky, filled with distant stars, and silence. You are closer to Earth than ever before, and yet, you cannot see it, not even a single glimpse. That absence feels heavier than anything else, because your mind expects to see your home, but it doesn't. And in that moment, you truly understand what isolation in space really feels like. For thousands of years, humans had no idea what the far side looked like. It remained a mystery, hidden from view, until technology finally changed everything. In 1959, a spacecraft was launched by the Soviet Union. Its name was Luna 3. This mission made history. For the first time ever, it captured images of the moon's far side, and what it revealed surprised everyone, because the far side looked completely different. The side we see from Earth has large dark areas called Maria. These are ancient lava plains formed billions of years ago, but the far side had almost none of them. Instead, it was covered in craters, deep, rough, and heavily damaged, mountains everywhere, and a surface that looked much older. Even more surprising, the crust on the far side was much thicker, around 20 kilometers thicker than the near side, which meant something unusual had shaped it differently. Two sides of the same moon, with completely different histories, and for the first time,
Humans realiza.
the moon was not as simple as it looked from Earth. But now, after more than 50 years, humans are going back. NASA is preparing a mission called Artemis II. This mission will send astronauts around the moon again, and as they travel, they will pass over the far side, seeing it up close. So why are the two sides so different? The answer goes back billions of years to the birth of the moon itself. At that time, Earth was extremely hot. Its surface was covered in molten rock, glowing, burning, radiating heat into space, and the moon was much closer to Earth than it is today. That heat changed everything. The side of the moon facing Earth stayed hotter for a longer time. Its surface remained soft, allowing lava to flow freely and spread across the surface. That is how the dark plains formed, the Maria we see today. But the far side cooled much faster. Its surface hardened early, becoming thicker, stronger, and resistant to lava flows. So instead of smooth plains, it kept its craters, its scars, frozen in time. Two sides formed together, but shaped differently by Earth itself, and that difference still exists today. But now, humans are returning to witness it again. NASA is leading the mission, and Artemis II will take astronauts around the moon. As they move into the far side, they will see something very few humans have ever seen: a world completely hidden from Earth. As the astronauts travel around the moon, there will be a moment when something incredible happens. Earth will begin to disappear. Slowly, it will move toward the edge of their view. Then, it will slip behind the moon, and suddenly, it will be gone. No blue planet, no glowing light, no home in the sky, just darkness and space. For a brief moment, they will be completely alone. No visible connection to Earth,
No reminder
of where they came from, only silence and distance. This is something very few humans have ever experienced, and it changes how you think, because in that moment, you realize something powerful. Everything you know, every person, every city, every memory, exists on one planet, a small, fragile, blue planet. Astronomer Carl Sagan once described Earth as a pale blue dot from the far side of the moon. Even that dot disappears, and that realization is both beautiful and terrifying, because it reminds us how small we are and how important our planet truly is. The far side of the moon is not just a mystery, it is a reminder that what we see is never the full story, and sometimes the truth is hidden just out of sight. Rocket